What's up, guys? We're gonna try to build the Lotus in a night. It's 11:52, and we're gonna try to give the Lotus 100 horsepower before the sun comes up tomorrow morning. Piggyback JB4 tune, third cat delete, valve controller, carbon intake, all on a Lotus Emira. Honestly, check engine light for sure. I haven't turned it on in like 2 weeks. It's like 1 a.m. Haven't even fucking taken apart the car.
So what panel needs to come off? Is it just this back section?
This is gonna have to come off, right? You mean this came off for the which one?
You pop this and you pop that. What's the confidence level?
I think if we can figure out how to get this off and keep track of everything, we'll be all right. We're taking apart the 30 bolts that hold the bottom of the Lotus together. You see this? People love Porsche for this shit, right? The GT3 RS has the arrow underneath the car. Nobody ever talks about Lotus having this, but it's the same shit. It's the same fucking shit. Oh, directs airflow. Oh, go fuck myself. There we go. Oh yeah, all right, see, look, you can see the cap right here. Look at this, this is the easiest thing ever.
Why would you grab it? What do you think I didn't?
I totally think
it wasn't hot at first.
We have technology, motherfuckers. You all picked up the same boiling hot nut. Wonder why. That's what y'all did.
I'm in the R&D over here.
Stupid, bro. I need a vape so I can.
What if we just let the other YouTuber
Forum Foundry Films
do the work and we just take the credit from it?
It's like wedged up in the connection.
All right, we're gonna see what the Lotus sounds like with a muffler delete.
He's not going down from there.
You really set them up with that.
Hopefully it goes in.
Yeah. Start up, third cat, gone. Valve controller's not on yet. I'm tired. It's 2:30. One part is done. It's 3:56, so it's 4 a.m. Valve controller's on. Third cat delete pipe's on. The old intake's out. The diffuser and the fucking bottom arrow are not put back on. JB4 not even close.
Haven't even started that.
How stoked are we for the 240? Because I'm pretty stoked.
Oh, bro, I'm so excited. Just drive that off the trailer into the.
That's exactly where it's going to. Fucking doing a donut immediately. Explodes. That's for Nate when he goes to service the car. That goes up. That's the bottom. Okay. You could tell if you just put your dick together on that one, my guy.
I didn't get to put my dick on it, okay? We're so close.
No, we are. There's only like 5 more steps. There's like 10 more steps. So we're on page 10 of 12. On the car?
Oh my.
Alright, fucking come on. I'm so tired, man. We need to get moving. On God, we have PPO. New track coming. Say, I didn't think we'd have the one in the backyard done this year, and we got it done in less than a year. So hopefully next season, new track sooner. Black Rock Paving in Michigan. All your paving needs. E-Venturi carbon intake's done. Should make a lot of woo noises now. Yeah, like a Hellcat. Like 9 to 19 horsepower game, baby. Let's go. It's 4:30 a.m. Piggyback's not even on. Piggyback tomorrow. Diffuser, all that shit. I'm too tired. I'm too old for this.
You plug that sensor back in?
Nope. No, legit, that's all you hear is shoo, shoo. Yeah, this is gonna go crazy. It's 4:30, valve controller, third cat delete, carbon intake in the car. I have a check engine light now. We forgot to plug in the MAF sensor. It's okay. Hopefully the car will forget. Tomorrow, JB4 goes on, plus 90 something horsepower. Taking like the most supercar looking supercar and actually making it somewhat fast. I'm gonna go to bed. So, Lotus is done. Third cat delete, valve controller, carbon intake, and a JB4 piggyback. It sounds better, and it drives really fast comparatively to what it was before. It's a pretty cool car now. I just gotta do some stuff to the body, you know? Like, the ass is looking kinda empty. So, gotta figure out that situation. Maybe some new wheels. But, you know, we're getting there. Lotus is done. New car comes on Monday. RX-7 project's coming up next. I would fucking suck a dick for a Coke sponsor.
You wanna get this on camera? Hold on.
Just bleep out the bad word and send that to Coke. Because, like, if they want to stock a fridge here, I'll wear a Coke Racing fucking...
Me and Dylan have already offered to be Coke boys.
Like I'm telling you, it feels like a completely different car, and it sounds like a completely different car. Valve controller and Miltech would give you the exhaust sound, but coupled that with the Aventuri intake, that's just fucking crazy. What it does is it makes the car sound like it looks. We didn't have any of the maps loaded properly, so we're gonna run it back on like map 3, which is plus 5 extra PSI.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's faster.
Yeah, it is. Top of 4th is crazy. Like I like at the top of 4th, the whole car pulled forward. That was nuts. Please. Like, comment, subscribe. You know everything everybody else says to do. Just do that to the video. Good night.